You'll want to start off with a clean, dry, dust-free surface by wiping down the area you wish to decorate. Remove the wall stickers from the packaging. Pick an area along the edge of the sticker where you can begin to carefully peel it from the backing paper. Be careful not to pull too quickly, as the stickers can tear. Once you have removed the sticker from the backing sheet, place the sticker to the desired surface and rub down to remove any air bubbles. Adhere's adhesive graphic stickers can be removed and repositioned if the back remains lint and dust-free. Remember, possibilities are limitless, so have fun, be creative, and release your inner decorator.